Good morning, class. How is everyone today? Welcome to Reading with Teacher Learning. Are you ready to practice your reading skills? Please follow along as we read the story. Let's begin.
Look out, little chicks. I am a chick. I live in a beautiful village. My father is a cock. He is tall, strong, and very handsome. Father has a red big comb on his head. It looks very nice. Every morning, Father wakes everyone up with his loud crowing. My mother is a hen. Every day, she will take my siblings and me out to play and to find food. We like to run around and play. Mother teaches us how to find food and peck grain. Children, we do not have teeth, so we must swallow small stones to help digest food. While we are playing, an eagle suddenly appears in the sky. Look out, my little ones. There is an eagle. Quick! Hide under my wings. We are very frightened. We run as fast as we can to Mother and hide under her wings. Don't be scared. You will be safe under my wings. The eagle keeps a sharp eyes on us. Mother stares boldly back at the eagle. Soon, the eagle flies away. We are safe. When I grow up, I want to be as brave as Mother.